So, what are some other programs that the Water District offers to help customers pay for the repair of leaks?
Well, one of the programs that we've had for years, but we've recently augmented, is the leak adjustment program, right? So this is where your bill and your usage is unusually high, and it was because of some kind of an on-site malfunction or leak. If you repair the leak within 60 days of being notified of it, right? If we sent you the alert, or if you just discovered it on your own and you go ahead and make the repair, and then from there, within 3 months, within 90 days, you come online and submit an application and say, hey, I'd like the leak adjustment program, please. What we'll do is we'll go in and calculate how much of your water bill was attributable to that leak, right? So we know what your baseline usage normally looks like. And then we look at that spike and we'll split the difference with you.